installing subscribers on your blog or website. Hi there, it's Albert again from Subscribers, and for this video, let me show you how to install subscribers on your blog or website. Using Subscribers Web Push is a great way to keep your blog readers engaged, and by providing a way for readers to subscribe to your blog, you can increase your retention. Subscribers are more likely to continue following your blog and helping you build a loyal audience. It is a really straightforward installation. Just navigate in your subscribers dashboard under Settings. Now go to Install. Scroll down under Manual Installation and copy the script provided. Now head on to your Blogger page backend. Then navigate under Theme. Click the arrow next to Customize and select Edit HTML. Now you will scroll down to the very bottom, and right next to the closing body tag, you will paste your subscribers script. Now hit the little save icon at the very top right, and wait for the update successful prompt, and that's it. Now you will head back to your subscribers dashboard under Settings, then click Prompt. Click the pencil icon and you will select the Modal Prompt. Modal Prompt will allow you to customize your opt-in prompt by adding your own logo, your own text, and CTA text as well. To customize your prompt, just click on Content and Style. That's it. Sign up now to subscribers.com and keep your site visitors coming back with smarter web push notifications with Subscribers. Thank you for watching.